As you know, I am Swami Vishwanand, now Mother of the World, performing my duties as a Mother of the World. I am appointed by Almighty God. Today we will discuss and this knowledge and guidance is given by God for benefit of all mankind. Today we will see what are the qualifications and guidance and qualifications and qualities of spiritual guide, guru, teachers. In Islam, Kamil Murshid for spiritual path which help people and entire mankind to reach, to see, to meet, to talk and get power and authorities for make this mankind be spiritual and remove all negativities from this world. Today we will see these qualities of gurus, spiritual masters. Any spiritual master, spiritual teachers must be appointed by God, and all power and authorities given by God to such teachers in the world. The spiritual teachers gives his knowledge and power to people unconditional and with love to entire mankind. He speaks truth without afraid of anybody or any authorities in the world. He never demand of material things like money, mind, man bodies for his personal use. Such real spiritual teachers, Kamil Murshid, gurus, always remains on the seat of donor of spiritual and social knowledge services without any expectations from people and God too. He always answer in present times. He never postponed any questions for solve an answer in future to those who asking such any questions to gurus and spiritual teachers. He can give answers of any questions. He has capacity to give any answers of any questions from this world, and any persons, those who ask questions to such spiritual teachers. He remains totally free from any material things, any facilities from mankind, from places, from countries, from his followers. He can travel from any place in the world. He can guide to all religions followers and entire mankind, and he can go in all religions prayers places without fear and any expectations. He never binds his followers, students, by mind, money, and human bodies. He must has complete knowledge of souls, God, creations, and system of this world, how this world is running. Such type of all systems and knowledge always remains in his mind, and he is capable to help any followers, any students, and give national highway path, spiritual path to reach with God. He loves God and his creations, so he performs his spiritual and social duties as a servant of God without any demand, any salaries, any expectations, but only for loving God. By seeing the God in hearts of mankind, he works for his pleasure only and to love God. This type of qualities and qualifications are real spiritual masters, spiritual teachers, spiritual gurus, and Kamile Mursid as per Islam. So, this message has come on the earth in the world for remain the careful. Any students of spiritual eager to know how we can reach to the God, to meet God. So this message came from benefit of entire mankind. Those who want to reach with God, we must select such type of gurus, such type of spiritual masters, Kamile Mursid. If we will not find such qualities, such qualifications in any persons, so we must lose our time. So be careful and select such real Kamile Mursid, such real Sufi master, and such real gurus and such real spiritual teachers. So if we will see such qualities and qualifications in any persons in the world, we can learn spiritual and social guidance from such Kamile Mursid and Tattvaveta Purush and knowledgeable person as per Sanatan Hindu Dharma. We must remain such real Sufi master, real guru. We must remain his foot and obey his orders and learn all spiritual guidance and social guidance from such real gurus and Kamile Mursid. Then and then one day we must be enlightened and we must be capable to reach with God. We will be capable to see God, to meet God and talk God, and we will get all spiritual powers. Then we can be free, and we can also get the such capability, qualities and qualifications as equal as our spiritual gurus, Kamile Mursid, and then we have to perform our duty for entire mankind. This is the spiritual system. These are the spiritual guidance, and these are the spiritual path and qualities and qualifications of real guru, real Kamile Mursid, real teacher and real spiritual master. So this message I got from God, the house of the God, with meeting with God. and He has ordered me. He told me that convey this message for benefit of entire mankind. So I have performed my duty as a servant of God. I wish and pray for happiness and freedom of all mankind. So all mankind can get God, meet God, and be qualified. God bless. God bless. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.